Did you know you can create 3D parts just by extruding the contour of an image? In this video, I'll show you how to turn any image into a 3D model by simply extruding its outline, all in a few easy steps. I'll begin by uploading an image and demonstrating how the app processes it to create a 3D model. Below, you'll see a preview of the contour and the number of points that form it. If you disable this option, the number of points will increase, which may result in a less smooth contour. Next, I'll set the extrusion length, and you'll see just how easily the app generates the extrusion based on the contour of your image. Now you can download 8stl or .step file for the sketch, which represents the surface, or the solid, which includes the contour along the length we defined. Now, I'll show you an example with an image containing multiple external contours. In the preview, you can identify each contour by its color and the number of points that make up each one. If, for example, you want to remove the hat, you can simply delete those contours. Now, if you want to extrude this gear, you'll notice that the internal contours won't be generated, as the app is designed to process only external contours. The solution here would be to download the gear contour along with the hole coordinates and upload them into another function of the app, which I covered in a previous video. Now that you've seen how the app works, there are a few things you should know. The background of the image should be either black or white, and the contours should contrast clearly with the center of the image. The higher the quality of the image, the better the contours will turn out. So try to use clear, high-quality images. It's also important to keep the image simple. Fewer colors and shadows will give you better results. Thank you for watching. If you've made it this far, please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this and visit my GitHub to explore other similar projects.